2 good snowstorms so far, so the ski areas are hoping that they're going to be able to open up pretty soon. As you can see behind me in Brighton ski area, up Big Cottonwood Canyon, they're making snow here and hoping that they'll at least get some runs in and get off to a good start. It's a beautiful day. It's gorgeous up here. Big Cottonwood and Little Cottonwood are home to some of the best ski areas in the world, and Utah is known for its fine powder. Well, you can see here what one of the snowmaking machines look like. You can see the nozzles around the outside of the circle, and that turns it into a mist that freezes, and that creates the snow. Well, I'm back into Salt Lake City, and I just went for lunch at my favorite Thai restaurant. Behind me here is called Siam Orchid. Their Penang curry, their yellow curry, anything I've ever had there, mango, sweet rice, just delicious, quiet. They do a lot of takeout in the evening, so lunches are fairly quiet there. But I love going there, and I was in the mood for some good Thai food, so I went there. But it was a great time up the mountain. It was short. I know this video is short, but it was a chance also to take this footage and for my Canon 90D and my drone and put it into DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to start learning that program. I've wanted to do that for a while, and so I thought, well, I've got 3 different types of files, one from my Canon 90D, one from my iPhone, and also from the Mavic Mini 3 Pro. So I'm going to use DaVinci Resolve and practice with that. Now show you the end result when it's time to put it up. So thanks for being with me. Stay safe, and remember, always follow your dreams. Make them your reality. Till the next one, bye for now.